some of our marketing videos. Today, we just moved into a new office. We're still putting stuff together, but we want to make sure we have a before and after. So let's go in. Don't look at the code. Sweet. Let's start with the breakout room. No. Breakdance room, sorry. Since we're still waiting on our conference table, this is the official breakdancing room. As you can tell, it's got excellent space for breakdancing. That's all I got, that's it. That's the extent of my breakdancing skills. Now we'll take you to the Kenny room. If you don't know who Kenny is, he's a developer. He's absolutely insane. So he has the focus room, which is where shit gets done at OM. Breakout room number 2. This one is yet to be named, but when we name it, we'll let you know what it is. And if you have some good ideas, send them below. And now we have our bigger breakout room. We have a couch. Miles is a sleeper. And the beautiful view of the City Beautiful, which is downtown Orlando. You can see Lake Eola. We'd love to have you come visit. And then, of course, where we all hang, a bunch of monitors and people and our friendly Arette right here in the house. Too many monitors, too many people. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and see you next time.